Hi, welcome to this channel that will teach you some words in Malagasy. So in this channel I will mainly speak Merina dialect, which is the official dialect in Madagascar, and it's also the dialect that is spoken in the capital city, Antananarivo. In Malagasy, welcome means tunga sua, and the answer would be chacha sua. Let's talk about how do you greet someone in Malagasy. So in Malagasy, we don't have specific words for good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. We always say manaono, manaone, salamo, manakuryo, akuriaby, finartre, mbarakalie, mbola tsara. When you want to greet a group of people, you can say manaona daholo, salama daholo nareo, or in a more formal way, mirabatsika rehetra. So when you want to say goodbye, you would say velumo. You can also say amanaraka indray are, or mandrapitafa vetivety are,
Mandrapiona.
In my opinion, the easiest way to say goodbye in Malagasy is just to say mastua are, mastuo. In Malagasy, mastua means enjoy. Manahoana todo?
Salama ary miora. Elaela tsy hita. Inona ny vaovao izay ela be izay?
Tsy misy vaovao. Any aminao?
Zaho koa tsy manana vaovao, fa zao faly mahita anao zao e.